Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given this simple Mathematical Olympiad equation where we have x plus 7 to the power of 2 equals to 25. So let's provide the solution very quickly. And the first thing is to copy x plus 7 squared equals to 25. So we have here x plus 7 squared minus here 25 will be 0. Okay, so here we are we are supposed to do this x plus 7 squared minus 5 squared equals to 0. And if you are seeing nicely, this question has been changed into difference of two squares, where this can be a squared minus here b squared equals to 0. So this is our a, means we have x plus 7, then here, and of course this is a minus b times a plus b, which equals to 0, and this is a minus b minus 5 times a, which is x plus 7 plus 5 will be 0. And of course this will be x plus 2, right? And here will be x plus 12, which is equal to 0. So we shall write x plus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 12 equals to 0. So our x will be negative 2, or our x will be negative 12. And we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given here x plus 7 squared equals to 25. Alright, so we have to we have given here negative 2, right? So we shall write this one as here negative 2 plus 7 squared equals to 25. So here we have 5 squared equals to 25, and 25 equals to 25 left hand side equals to right hand side. So what about this one? Here we have negative 12 plus 7 squared equals to 25, and of course here I have negative 5 squared, which is equals to 25. 25 equals to 25 left hand side equals to right hand side. So that here this one is correct and this one is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.